Hi guys, come on in. Let's see what's going on in today's video. Hi guys, I'm a little bit here. I know it's been a minute, I apologize. My last video went up on my quilting channel, which is Flipflop Quilt Shop. Link to that in the description below. I have 2 projects in the works right now. Actually, I have 3 projects in the works. The first one is for our grandson's first birthday party, and he'll be a year old in August, at the very end of August. And so this is our grandson's first birthday party invitations. And this is basically a quilted postcard that I'm going to make into invitations. So it's actually quilted. It's got a quilt line going down between the 2 panels and across these 2. And then there's a card on the back. This is a prototype, so there's, a card we're not going to write on the back. And it's got binding, etc. on it. But I think we're going to do away with the binding because of the way that I fold the fabric. His birthday party is being held at the local skate park. So Mawmaw and Pawpaw don't have to do that. Because there's no way. We gave up having big parties at the house last year. I have been kind of out of commission. I have degenerative disc disease throughout my spine, and I've had spinal surgery in my cervical spine, which is still causing some issues. But the problem I'm having currently is in my lower spine, which needs to be fixed. But due to our granddaughter being due at the end of October, beginning of November, I have elected not to have the spinal surgery because they live in an upstairs apartment, and I want to be able to climb up and down the stairs to assist her with her one-year-old, who will be around 15 months old when his baby sister is born, because she's going to need help. She's going to need help. And that's not a big deal. So here I'll insert the pictures of the fabric that I'm using for BBGs. I'll put it right here. This is the yardage for Ollie's first birthday party invitations. This is the fabric I'm using to make the baby shower invitations for our granddaughter. And that'll be, it's based off the new Beauty and the Beast movie, because it looks like stained glass. And it'll be done sort of the same way that Baby Boy's is being done. But I need to move my machines downstairs because it's really terribly hot upstairs. And when I say hot upstairs, it really is hot upstairs. Hubz and I live in a cave. You can hear the air conditioner running. It's in the window. Oh, that away somewhere. That's his smiley face pillow, one of them. Anyway, but I want to bring my machines downstairs because my daughter-in-law and son do not get up until around noon, and that's entirely too late to go upstairs for me because it's boiling hot upstairs already by 1 o'clock. Even though if I open the windows in that room I get a cross breeze, it is still entirely too warm upstairs for me to work. So we're going to bring down just for these 2 projects, and I'm also working on a quilt commission, which I'll do a video on. I'll also do a video on how I make these. I'll also link in the description RS Island Crafts playlist of her doing them. This is where I got the idea from, and she calls them quilted postcards. I'm calling them handcrafted keepsake invitations. And his theme obviously is Moana. He loves Hi or Hey or whatever you call his name. And then baby girl's baby shower is going to be, like I said, Beauty and the Beast related. And then I will do her birth announcements the same way. The commission that I'm working on is due to be completed and handed off by the 15th of August. And I'm still in the process of creating that, and also filming segments on that, so that I can put that up on my Flipflop Quilt Shop channel, which you can find the link to that in the description down below to my Flipflop Quilt Shop Facebook page, where you can be notified of when I put up a video and that you might want to watch. I made 2 bandana quilt blocks last week for a project that the Quilting Maurine, I'll also link him in the description below, for service members overseas. So I don't know how many squares he's gotten, but I do know that he got enough at this point to make, I think, 7 quilts that are 5 by 6, and this quilt blocks, finished quilt blocks, are 10 inches. So I'll link my video to that down below. And then, let's see, I haven't really been doing much else. It's in the 70s, high 70s today, and people here in Washington don't understand the concept of this is not hot. Yes, we have an air conditioner running, only because I need to breathe. I'm having an allergy issue, so I have to be able to breathe. Had a Facebook message pop up. Sorry. Anyway, next week it's supposed to be in the 90s, so we shall see how warm or how not warm it gets. But we're also saying goodbye to our Chevy Spark. We learned that with this past month and a half long vacation that we took across the country, our Spark is way too small to do that again. So we're getting a Honda CRV, and it'll have a tow package, so that if we want to, you can rent a trailer, travel trailer, or a U-Haul trailer to kind of cram all our crap in, so that we can follow through and sleep either in our vehicle or go camping. We'll just see. We're supposed to go back to Huntsville in March to visit my teacher and her husband, who are Mom and Pop, and then we're going to go to Nashville and stay in Nashville a few days, and then I have a friend whose mother rents out a cabin. The cabin is in Gatlinburg. Anyway, and that's about 4 or 5 hours from Nashville. And we want to go in March, where it's not so hot in the south in March, typically. We were going to try to go for Thanksgiving, but with baby girl being expected arrival to be at the end of October, beginning of November, we really want to be here for that. And I really want to be here for Christmas, because it'll be Ollie's. He'll be 16 months old, and then baby girl, of course, you know, they're still too young to remember, but it is really going to be fun, I think, for that gathering. My ex-husband will be up for Oliver's birthday party, as well as be here when baby girl, and we're not announcing her name until she's here, but some of you know what her name is, and please don't put in the comments below. They're still not settled. They want her to have 2 middle names like Ollie does, and I'm just like, okay. At least we talked Mom out of naming her an O name. My son is still not real keen on what she wants to name her, but her first name is Seth. But I'm hoping, like I said, to get my sewing machine to move downstairs so I can work on these projects and bring some videos to you guys. Of course, if I'm downstairs working, it means you're going to hear the dogs a lot. And for that, I'm going to apologize the video in advance. So, check down below for links to my patriotic bandana quilt blocks down below, as well as a link to my quilting page on Facebook, and a link to the video of where I do make my quilt blocks. So, with that being said, I hope the next time you see me, I'm actually being for it. I hope that next time that you see me, I'll actually be being productive. That's a lot to try to say. I hope that in my next video, I am being productive. So, be good, stay out of trouble, don't do anything I wouldn't do. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys. Alright, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Check the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you know, and we'll see you in our next video.